Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we have a very important topic. We discuss today about the hard work. Everybody know hard work. We can say dirt work. If we are doing any activities and there is coming some heat, spark, or flame, and then we can say this work is hard work. And during the hard work, we need some very important thing, especially when we are going for the hard work permit. At that time, first we must be checked, or we have a fire watchman, and also we first check our firefighting system, fire alarm system, smoke detectors. If these all things available, and if we are going inside the plant, everybody, all plant have some smoke detector system, and then we must be first informed to our ISD department, please isolate these number smoke detector. If we are not informed to our IS department, and without information, if we start our hard work, and during the hard work also coming smoke, also coming heat, also flame is also coming. But inside the plant we have a system. If our smoke detector, he detects some smoke or some flame or these things, and this one activate. When the smoke detector activate inside the plant, then we are getting too much loss, because when this smoke detector giving siren to ISD department immediately they are sending to firefighting teams, and also they start the fire alarm. If inside the plant start the fire alarm, it means all work permits stop, all work permits cancelled. And if we are doing small mistake, only we are not giving the information to ISD department for the isolation of the smoke detector, then we are facing too much problem, because we must be informed to our ISD department, we are now starting our hard work in this area, and then please isolate to these number. And other thing, if we are doing some hard work, for example, if we are starting the welding, okay, during the welding also they coming heat, and for welding first we check our plant is grounded, properly grounded, and then we check our cords are proper, holder is okay, and also we must be checked to their fire extinguisher is available, and also fire blanket we have. And then if we are start the cutting, there is coming flame for the gas cutting, and then we must be checked the flashback arrestor. They both cylinders have a flashback arrestor, oxygen and ethylene, and this flashback arrestor is very important thing. Everybody know this one. The flashback arrestor not giving a fire to backside to the cylinder, and also we are using both sides, the holder side and also near the cylinder we are installing the flashback arrestor. And then after that we also keep our cylinders in straight position, we not keep in the down position. This one is dangerous also. And if we want to transfer to cylinder one place to other place, we use the also wheelbarrow, and also we keep in straight position. And if these cylinders are empty, and then we also keep the cap and tie, and then we also lift to these cylinders. And also if the coming sometime we are doing the grinding, during the grinding also we care about this. First we check the grinder. This also we are using inside the plant, all grinders, all equipment double insulated. First we check to insulation sign. If you see also the small black sign and some square, there is also, it means this one is double insulated. And also we check the cords. Also first we check the disc of the grinder. We have a two type grinder we are using mostly, one for the cutting, one for the grinding. And we are not using the grinding disc for the cutting, and cutting disc we are not using for the grind metal. And also first when we are installing the new disc inside the grinder, then first we check to disc, this disc is okay, this one is not damaged or any other problem. How we check this one? Mister, we check this one. First we take to this one, and same like some parts we are checking by the hammering. This one we throw, and then if the sound is okay, there is no any damage sound, then we know, oh, this one is okay. And then we install this one. And first thing, very important thing, if we are using the grinder and also we are using the disc, if we are installing a new disc, at that time first we check this one, this disc RPM and grinder RPM. This is a very important thing. If the disc RPM is less than grinder, we never use. If the equal, we never use. And if we want to use, we must be arrange the more RPM than grinder. If the grinder we have a 1600 RPM, then we must be use 1800 RPM disc. Less than this we are not using. And why we are using this one? If the RPM more than grinder of the disc, it means this disc is strong. If the disc is strong, it means when we are using this one, at that time this one is not destroyed, not broken. And one more thing, if we are not checking to this one, this disc value and grinder value is more than this, and then you know this one is not only moving, not only rotating, they are also giving some back force. If we are using with the any steel or anything, then at that time coming back force, and at that time we need the more power, and we need the stronger than grinder this disc, and then we can use. And when we check the disc, and after that we also check with the grinder safety guard. Safety guard is very important for the grinder. If the guard is available, okay, we can use. If the not guard, then we cannot allow to use that grinder. And this guard protect us in 3 ways. Number one, when we are holding to grinder, at that time if our hand is slip and go forward, the guard save our hand. Next one, if this disc is broken, the guard also protect to us. And number 3, if we are using to this disc and during the use of grinder, spark not coming to our side, spark going to other side, the spark not coming to us. These 3 items, these 3 very important protection giving us this guard. We must be checked to guard. And also during the welding, if we are working there, hard work we are doing there, and when our work is finished, and after our work completed, after the finishing the work, we must be arrange our fire watchman must be stay half hour at that area, because you know if we are doing some welding and we not care, we say okay our work is finished and we are going back, but everybody know this, if our work is finished but half hour must be at that place, that steel is also hard, and this one is international standard. If we are doing any side hard work, and fire watchman must be stay after the finishing work half hour, 30 minutes. This one is standard. And when 30 minutes finished, okay, within 30 minutes, this our hard work or our steel where we work at that area is now cooled, and then our fire watchman can lift the area and he can come. And before half hour, we cannot allow to any fire watchman you lift the side. And this is a very important. Sometimes you know the several accidents happen at the site. Some guys they want to take some material, especially some oils and something. At that time, this one is also dangerous. And also some guys they are using several guys they want to sit, but they see only pipe. And if the guy is sitting at the pipe, and then you know what's happening there. This one is very important. If we want to save our people, we must be care about these things. And okay, thank you.